How to cancel audio processing job on Lalal.ai. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, log into your account if you haven't already. Once you are logged in, click on the Select Files button and upload the audio or video file you want to process. After the file starts uploading, you will see the real-time audio processing status on the screen. If you decide to cancel the job before it's completed, look for the cancel button located below the progress bar. Click on it to cancel the current audio processing tasks. Once cancelled, the processing will stop immediately and the file will not be separated into vocals and instrument. And that's it. Now you know how to cancel an audio processing job on Lalal.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.